What's going on, guys? Today I'm back with another video about this 2015 Sprinter van I've been working on for like 2 months right now. I mean, as y'all can see in my previous video, all the front line was smashed, like the fan, the water pump was smashed. There was no belts, there was no alternator. So what I've done right now, I've actually installed the new fan, the new water pump, another alternator have been installed right now. So my biggest problem I have on this rebuild is that I don't have a pulley machine, because this frame right here, if you can see right here, there's a buckle, there's a knuckle down there, so it's actually bent. So this frame right here gotta go this way a little bit, so that's why. But right now I have some parts. I have the fender, the bumper, the hood, the radiator. So I'm going to be doing my parts while I'll be taking this van to the shop where they're going to straighten the frame. But right now, what I want to do right now, I want to try the tools I have. These are the tools I have. So what I want to do right now, I want to try and push this out a little bit so I can put my fender, put the hood, put the radiator support, put some radiator on it, and put some water, and try to run this van, you know, to see the power of the engine. So guys, just follow me in this journey, guys. So I have a new fender, so I'll be slapping the fender on it. You know, this part I still have to take to the shop so they can do it, but that doesn't stop the fender nor the glue on it. So because guys, you can see I put the hood on. So although it's not lined up because of the frame, it's not going to line up. So actually it's still going to the shop. I'm just doing my own part, you know. So there's gaps everywhere. So I mean, just do a little bit I can do before I take it to the shop, guys. I'm gonna wrap up the video right now. You can see I've done more radiator support on it, put the radiator on it, put the fender, the hood. Although they're not lined up, you can see there's so much gap in it, they're not lined up. So I'll be taking it to the shop due to this frame that is bent, and also this one, so they're not lined up. So they have to take them to the shop. As you can see, much gap in it. So other than that, I'll get you guys updated on this van as it's going step by step. It might still take me another month or two, I don't know. It just depends on the shop right now, because we're going to the shop next week. Guys, if you like, kindly subscribe, please comment, and I think I did a good job, and I'll see you guys in the next one.